Hydra facial tip cleaning. Detach the tip from the handle. Clean it with a mask brush or a disposable toothbrush. Soak the tip in saline or alcohol for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water, allow it to air dry, and store in a dry place. Hydra facial tube cleaning. Fill the solution bottle with purified water. Select the Hydra facial function and set the working time to 2 minutes. Cover the top end of the handle with your thumb to allow water to flush the internal tubing. Empty the wastewater bottle. Spray handle cleaning. Fill the solution cup with purified water. Select the spray function and set the working time to 2 minutes. Operate the spray until all water is dispensed. Other handles cleaning. Wipe the handle with a damp cloth or saline solution. Dry with a clean towel and store in a dry environment.